Hello friends, welcome to our channel Explore. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all our new videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. Thank you.
So hi guys, today welcome to my channel, and guys, today in this video I will be showing you how to play Mini Militia Doodle Army. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you everything about this game, every single mode, every single battle, every single map, every single weapon, and much more. So guys, yes, let's get into the video. So yes guys, I've showed you how to do the battle, what all is there in the battle. Now I'm going to show you the settings guys. So there's a settings option on the top. In this guys, you can see everything: terms and conditions, customer support, more games, login with email, login with Facebook, targeted advertisements version, then social, you can see many more. So guys, there are lots of stuff, and there's game also where you can change everything in your custom HUD and stuff. So guys, now I'm going to show you messages. Guys, in messages they just show you some other random games made by them, or they are like sponsoring, or they want us to play. So yeah guys, and also sometimes guys, you can make people your friends and they can invite you, and that invitation comes in your message box. So yeah guys, now I'm going to show you how to open your own profile. So guys, yeah, okay guys, so yeah, on the top right, on the top left, the most top left, there you can see your name and your level. So guys, click on it, and then you can see your avatar, your name, your matches, your kills and wins. So guys, here you can see, guys, I'm an absolute pro. I have played 17 matches. I have won 17 matches. Not even one match I didn't come to second or third. I came first in everything. All the matches I'm first. And guys, I got 173 kills from 17 matches. So guys, and I have been dying by people since like 82 times. So yeah guys, and I'm on corporal post and 6th level. And also guys, if you press on that pencil button, we can change our name right there. But I don't want to change my name because Joker is kind of nice, I feel. So yeah guys, and guys, in case if you want to buy some more cash or more coins, you want to purchase them, click on the cash, you can purchase it, and click on the coins and you can purchase it. And yeah guys, okay, let's do it. So yeah guys, we have jumped in straight into the battle. So guys, let's come. I'm going to show you how to play now. Oh, there's a guy, I have to kill him. Oh, he's on one shot. Okay, guys, so I killed him. Guys, there's sort of a lag here, but don't mind. It's like some sort of Wi-Fi lag happening right here, but don't mind it, guys. So, guys, as you can see here, there are many weapons, but you can't. If you don't have a particular weapon, and if you go on, it will show locked. So, guys, I have unlocked these. So, let's equip them on and go to kill people. So, guys, there are two joysticks on this game. One is for firing and one is for moving. So guys, the blue joystick, this one is for moving around, guys. If you drag it on full upwards, then you start flying. But guys, you can see a bar right over there, and the pink bar is basically your health, and the red bar is your the blue bar is your flying capacity. Like if your flying capacity goes full low, then you will be unable to fly. So guys, you can, it refills in time. Oh, they just killed each other. Wow. Okay, so guys, the most strongest weapon in this whole place is Makita and machine gun. There the machine gun is, but obviously I can't get equip it because I don't have it. Guys, machine gun is super heavy. It is like the most heaviest gun ever. You can barely fly with it. Oh, someone is there. I'll get him. Oh, he's on one shot of my grenades. I'm gonna get him easy. Done. He's over. Oh, guys, I killed two people at a time. I killed two people in a row. So, guys, there you can see I'm on the top, guys. There is a little bit of a lag going on, but really don't mind it, guys. Sorry for that. Okay, guys. Come on, we can do this again. So guys, I've taken my this is called the XM8. Yeah, we'll just interrupt their fight. Doesn't even matter. Okay guys, I just killed him randomly. Okay guys, I killed him also. So guys, as you can see here, I showed you what the red and the blue joystick does. One more thing guys, for firing you have to pull the red joystick in that direction when you want to fire in full outside. You have to drag it full, completely. So guys, yeah, and guys, there's also a fist option. If you want to go faster somewhere, click on the fist option and fly. If you want to go faster. Okay, it's reloading. Come down, my friend. You're anyways gonna die. So guys, yeah, I am actually a pro at this game, guys, and I recommend it to all of you because this is a very amazing game. Oh no, I need to crouch. Guys, there is one pro tip I can tell you guys. If there's an enemy in front of you, crouch and shoot him. Do not stand and shoot, crouch and shoot. If you crouch, the damage reduces, which the damage you take reduces in front of him. But right now I can't, guys, because I just equipped the unlimited. Oh my god. No worries, guys. So as you can see, I have 8 kills. This, guys, there's also a chat option in the bottom right. So guys, if I write, for example, lol, it will show on the screen. It will show on everyone's screen. And yeah, guys, one more thing, we can also equip duel. Guys, I'm just gonna try to kill one guy with Makita. It's gonna be hard, but I'll try. Let's do this. Makita. Oh, guys. Snap. Nice one. We'll just take this. And then we'll again take our Makita in our hands. Oh, yes, guys. Okay. So, guys, the match is over now. There is also a time limit on this match. So, guys, yes, in this orange color, you can see the man of the match. And, guys, it's me. Because like I'm a pro and I won 45 coins. I won a standard crate and I got 9 kills. So guys, I'll click on exit real quick. And guys, here it shows upgrade your account all the time, but I don't want to do. So guys, down there are 4 slots for chests. You can see them right over here. There are 4 slots for chests and you get fun chest if you are on 1st, 2nd or 3rd place, and best could be the elite crate. So guys, click on the chest, press on start unlocking, and if you have enough cash you can just unlock it quickly at that moment. Otherwise you have to wait for the timings. So yeah guys, now I'll show you the settings, guys. So let's get in. So yes guys, there is much more modes, but I thought that I'll just straight in get into the battles to show all of you how to play the basics of the battle and the modes and settings. So guys, you can see battle down there in the bottom right. Click on it and you can see maps, and guys, obviously you have to unlock the maps, but it's not in crates. It is only there in levels. If you unlock levels, you can only get those maps. Yeah guys, we can only unlock these after getting on levels. And yeah, you can see I'm currently on level 6 and like a quarter. So guys, I've unlocked these many maps: Lunar Sea, Junkyard, Crossfire, mini outpost, underground and outpost. So guys, yes, my favorite one is Catacombs because it's like very large. So yes guys, Catacombs we can equip it on level 7, but it's very hard to go up and up on level as soon as we reach higher and higher levels. So guys, let's just straight jump inside to the battle. So yes guys, let's move on to armory. And yes, so guys, in armory we can see all the weapons we have. And guys, we have means like in this game, before there used to be free weapons. You have anything you want, you can just get anything in the game that you want. But guys, now we have to unlock them again in crates. So guys, I'm going to show you crates afterwards again. So guys, in this I've unlocked every single handgun, all the SMGs, all the rifles except for AR, all the shotguns, pump action, and that AA-12, Snipers, guys, M93BA is a very good sniper. It's the best. It's a one-shot kill. Sometimes if on body, it's a two-shot kill. And guys, before we used to take like free of these guns, and I was like pretty nice at snipers. Okay, then comes the special, guys. Special is the best. Special is like these are extraordinary weapons which you get. So guys, there's a flamethrower, there's a grenade launcher, there's a phaser which is also known as the laser gun, EMP gun which is also known as like it doesn't if it sends a big shockwave, and if that shockwave hits you, then you are unable to fly. I'm going to show you the fly thing also, guys, afterwards. Okay guys, the next is rocket launcher. Rocket launcher is not that extraordinary. It's already there, but it's fine. It's like very powerful. That's why it's like an explosive, so that's why it's like in specials. Saw gun, guys, it is basically like a very sharp weapon comes out of this gun. It's a saw comes out of this gun, and yeah, probably kill someone if touched. Then and guys, it can also kill us. It bounces off, so it can also bounce on to us. Then guys comes the Makita. Makita is also a one-shot kill, but you have to go near someone and press on the fist button, and I'm going to show you all those buttons now. One more thing, guys, in this you can upgrade your weapons in SMGs. As you can see, I need to upgrade this for MP5 and MP5 I've upgraded, guys, but I'm not going to upgrade too much because my coins are anyways very less. I have only 596. So yeah guys, I'm not going to really like upgrade that much stuff, but okay. So okay guys, the next thing I'm going to show you is in store. So guys, as soon as you come to the store, you can see strike crate, campaign crate, and black ops crate. So guys, in this black ops crate is the best. It contains 11 epic cards, 16 rare cards, and if you're very lucky, you'll get 10,000 coins and 55 cards out of this chest. Whereas in campaign chest, there's 2 epic, 7 rare, and if lucky, 3,500 coins and 22 cards. And the like not the worst one, but not the best one, is 2 rare items. That's it. Better than this is like 1 elite crate. So guys, in this, if you're lucky, you'll only get 500 coins and 9 cards. Guys, in normal standard crates only I get like 1000 coins, so there's no use of that strike crate. And here guys, in cash we can purchase cash for actual money. We can like purchase the cash out of this game, like, and also guys, we can purchase coins out. So for example, for 7 AED there we can buy 5000 coins. So yeah guys, that was the store, and now I'm going to show you the next one, guys. So yeah. So hi guys, today welcome to my channel, and guys, today in this video I will be showing you how to play Mini Militia Doodle Army. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you everything about this game, every single mode, every single battle, every single map, every single weapon, and much more. So guys, yes, let's get into the video. So yes guys, as we were talking about the eyes, so guys, we can change the shape of the eyes of our avatar, the character. So I can change it into many shapes like these, all, even you can change it. These are totally free, no cost, full free. So I keep eyes on this and I keep eyebrows on this all the time. Then guys comes the mouth. What do you want the mouth to look like? And again, I'm wearing a ninja mask so they don't show for me. So yeah guys, you can keep it to this or these. There are lots of them, but I like to keep it this if I'm if I'm like, personally I like this smile one the most. This one, I like this one the most. Okay guys, so now we'll move on to the hair. So guys, in hair there are several hair, but guys, as you can see, there's a lock on all of them. Guys, in head everything is for free, whereas in hair nothing is free, guys. You have to unlock it all in chest. I'm going to tell you about chests afterwards, and now I'll just explain it to you. Guys, there are so many hairstyles, but we can't equip them because they are locked. Then comes this. This is like some girl style or something, like hair at the back side. So yep, this is totally free, guys. This is like at the side we can put some shapes at the side of your hair. So yeah, mustaches are not free at all. Okay, then comes beard. in beard also you need to unlock them all, otherwise you won't get any. And I have unlocked one from a chest, but I don't use it because I don't like that. And here is the hair color. You can choose the color of your hair, so I would keep it on green because I kind of like green. Then guys, next comes the body. So guys, in body also everything is locked obviously, and guys you have to equip all of it. And guys, here I have equipped this and I have equipped this. So guys, this is my favorite thing so far which I have equipped. Then guys comes the shorts, the pants. In pants I have nothing guys, only one. I have this one. Then in this, yeah, in this we can choose the color of our character, like his face color, or yeah. So I'll just keep it this. Yes guys, then comes the accessories. Guys, this is my most favorite part, is accessories guys. So see, here I am not wearing anything. Here there's a mask, like a thief mask. Here is just a default helmet. This is my favorite guys. Ninja mask is my favorite. And in goggles also I have nothing guys. There are pretty cool goggles, but I don't have any. I have these purple gloves, nothing much. And guys, in vests I have this vest, this, and this is my favorite guys. Okay, then comes the boots. This I have this, and I have this. But guys, none of these look like very cool, so I just put the red ones on. Okay guys, next comes the outfit. So guys, in outfit basically it is that there are already a selected bundles. So guys, for example, you got the first bundle or the second bundle, and if you equip it on, then you cannot add it with your, you cannot customize it and mix it up with your normal like hair or body or accessories. This bundle stays as itself only. You can't change it. It's that bundle only which you will equip. Okay. So okay guys, yeah, let's come on to the next one guys. Okay, which will be armory. So guys, yes, let's move on. So yes guys, as soon as you come to avatar, you'll see all of this. In this, the first thing is head. So basically in head you can choose the size of your head, but it won't show any difference in my head because I'm wearing like a ninja mask. So wait, I'll just try to remove it. Yeah, I'll put it to this, and now you can see whichever I'm pressing on, it's changing the shape of his head. So I'm just going to keep it this, and I'm going to equip this. Yeah, so guys, that is the thickness of the head, how much ever you want the shape. Next comes the eyebrows. So guys, you can choose the eyebrows for your character. As you can see, all the eyebrows I'm choosing, it's changing into that eyebrow. And yep, I kind of like this one. Okay guys, then comes the color of the eyebrows. If I put a gray, it'll turn gray. If I turn black, it'll turn black. As you can see right over there, it is changing color. So I will just keep it to black, or maybe yeah, black is fine. So guys, next is the eyes. You can change the shape of the eyes, and yeah, wait on. So yes guys, that is it for this video guys. I have showed you every single thing about Mini Militia Doodle Army, and guys, if there's any query and anything that I did not show and I forgot to show, then you guys can write that in the comment section below. And yes guys, if you loved my video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And also guys, there'll be a red subscribe button underneath. Click it and it will turn gray. As soon as it's gray means you're subscribed to the channel. And guys, after you're subscribed, the bell notification symbol will also come at the side. Click on it and press on all, so that you can get every single notification of my video on this channel the first, so you can be my first viewer. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next video. So bye bye, thank you, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.